Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust poor video quality on Amazon Prime. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Amazon Prime application on your smartphone and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Now once you log into your account, tap on the account icon at the top right corner or the bottom right corner depending on your device, and then tap on the settings option. Now from the settings page, tap on stream and download and then tap on streaming quality. Now from this page, you can set the best quality in order to get a better quality for your videos. You can also set this to auto, which will set the video quality depending on your connection type. From here, you can choose any setting that you wish to have for your Amazon Prime video experience. Once you save your settings, your video will be played at the quality that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to adjust and fix low video quality on Amazon Prime. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.